In front of me is Motorola Razr Fold, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off auto rotation. First of all, go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Then look for Auto Rotate shortcut, which is this one, and click on it. As you can see, mine turned grey and my device rotated. That means that auto rotation is off, but you can always switch it on by clicking on the same icon until it's blue. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!